Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the MacBook Air. Use an admin account, plug in the charger, and save your files because changing sleep mode writes system settings. Once ready, open Terminal. This is the only way to change low-level sleep behavior. You will enter sudo commands that alter hibernation and standby. Make sure you understand this affects battery behavior and wake times. If you want to undo anything, you can revert the settings later with similar commands. Now you change the actual mode. First, confirm current values with sudo pmsetg so you know the baseline. Then run sudo pmset a hibernate mode 25 to force full hibernate. This writes RAM to disk and powers down RAM to save battery. Once done, you can tweak standby low or standby high to control how long before deep sleep kicks in. Make sure to use it to apply to battery and charger. And remember the why. Full hibernate prevents battery drain during long sleeps. Finish by verifying the change. Run pmsetg and test sleep-wake behavior by closing the lid for a minute. If it works, you've set full hibernate. If not, revert with sudo pmset a hibernate mode 3 to return to standard safe sleep. One key troubleshooting tip. If the Mac won't wake or behaves oddly, safe boot first, then reset NVRAM or SMC on Intel Macs. On Apple Silicon, do a shutdown and power cycle. Make sure to note any error messages and repeat commands if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.